two coins are tossed simultaneously. So together they are tossing two coins. Find the probability of getting one head. So we have to find the probability of this given bits. First we are going to find the probability of getting one head. So let us start the solution. So in solution, first I am going to write what is given. So they have given, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, when the two coins are tossed simultaneously, then we will get, then possible outcomes are. So two coins means we will get two heads. Next we will get tail and head. Next head and tail. For the first coin head and second coin tail. Next we will get tail and tail for both the coins. So that means total possible outcomes are, total possible outcomes is equals to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 possible outcomes. Let us solve the first bit. So we need to get one head. For one head. So what are the events? Events are, you can see one head is present here and here. Okay, so events are tail, head, and head, tail. So there are two possible outcomes. So we can say number of success is equals to 2. So two success are possible. So therefore, so we can say that for finding the probability, we know that probability is equals to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So probability of getting one head is equals to, one head means number of success, that is number of favorable outcomes. Okay, so number of success by total number of outcomes, so is equals to 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we got 1 by 2. Now let us solve second bit. So second bit, at most one head. So let us write down at most one head. So at most one head means one head or no head. So we can write one head or no head is obtained. One head or no head is obtained. So when do we get like this? If we get these events, if we get events are tails, head, tail. So these all are having at most one head or no head. So there are possible outcomes are number of success. number of success is equals to 3. So therefore we can write probability of getting at most one head is equals to, so total favorable is 3 and the total number of outcomes is 4, so 3 upon 4. Third bit, one tail. So one tail. So where does it occur? It will occur if we get the events, if we get events are tail head and head tail. So we will get one tail. So number of success is 2. Number of success is equals to 2. Therefore, probability of getting one tail is equals to, so favorable is 2 and total is 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we got 1 upon 2. Now let us solve fourth bit. So they are saying more than 2 heads. More than 2 heads. So more than 2 heads cannot be obtained. You know that because we are tossing only 2 coins, that is 2 possible. More than 2 is not possible. So we can write more than 2 heads cannot be obtained. So because if 2 coins are tossed, so therefore number of success is equals to 0. So we can write probability of getting more than 2 heads. More than 2 heads. So number of success is 0 upon 4 is equals to 0 by anything is 0. Fifth bit, at least one tail. So at least one tail can be obtained. Since at least one tail they are saying no, so get we can get at least one tail in 3. So let us write down at least one tail is can be obtained. We can write is obtained if we get, so if we get tail head, head tail, tails. Okay, so at least one tail is possible with this. So number of success is number of success is equals to 3 possibilities are there. So therefore we can write probability of getting at least, this is L, at least one tail is equals to, favorable outcomes is 3 and total number of outcomes is 4. Now sixth bit, less than 3 tails. So it can be obtained. So when it can be obtained less than 3 tails, because we are tossing only 2 times 2 coins. If we get events like this, less than 3 tails, heads heads, 0 tails which is less than 3 tails, next tail head, next is head and tail, and after that tails and tail. So number of success is equals to 4. So therefore we can write probability of getting less than 3 tails is equals to 4 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So probability of getting less than 3 tails is 1.